Hindi ko alam, ma'am, kung anong purpose nila. Pwede lang ako manghula kung ano yung purpose nila. Ang purpose nila, ma'am, is maggulo sa election namin sa Davao City. Hindi ko alam, ma'am, kung anong purpose nila. Pwede lang ako manghula kung ano yung purpose nila. Ang purpose nila, ma'am, is maggulo sa election namin sa Davao City.
Okay, Alex.
Ang mga staff and nag-rate sa bahay.
Hindi ako nagsabi na merong mag-raid. Sabi ko nga, pwede lang ako manghula kung bakit dumating yung mga staff at mga CIDG personnel. Dahil malapit na ang eleksyon, malamang para manggulo.
Okay,
sa
last
Davao
question,
City.
Alex. Times of London.
Alex from the Times of London. Are you confident, Madam Vice President, you'll get the votes you need in the Senate for the impeachment trial? Are you confident you will get the senators elected you need to help you in the impeachment trial?
I've not been thinking about that. I leave it up to the lawyers to prepare for the impeachment. They've been preparing for it since the moment one of the members of the House of Representatives announced that there will be an impeachment, and that was October 2023. So right now, I leave it up to the lawyers.
Some commentators are saying that this election is because of the impeachment trial is a fight for your political life, your political survival, because you could be barred. Do you see it that way?
No. No. As I said in the stage earlier, I will not talk about my impeachment because people might think that this is about my interest. I told them that you just leave the impeachment to me, and I am at peace. I am at peace whatever the outcome of the impeachment trial will be, whether it be acquitted or guilty. I have already accepted that, the two possibilities. This is about politicians and the administration promising to the people that they will deliver genuine public service. As an example, this is about the 20 pesos per kilo rice that was a promise in 2022 that they remembered yesterday, and now they've forgotten about it one day after. So this is about the hungry, the poor, and the oppressed.
Okay,
You mentioned kanina po sa stage about this big political catalyst. What are your thoughts po sa pagpapasa ng anti-political dynasty?
Wala akong problema, ma'am, magpasa ng batas sa anti-political dynasty. Kasi ako man ay galing din sa ganyan na pamilya. At nakikita ko din kung paano nakokontrol yung politika sa buong Pilipinas dahil lang sa tumatakbo na lahat. Ang asawa, ang anak, ang pinsan, ang kapatid, lahat ay tumatakbo. Kahit walang abilidad, walang kapasidad para mamuno.
Ma'am, latest sa Davao, yung mga, amidst this mga issue na mag-rate ng CIDG, saan sa tingin niyo po ito nagagaling? Yung ibang sinasabi could be from your local rival.
Last question.
Davao, although PNP has already denied the said raid po ng CIDG.
Well, sa raid, wala akong information. Pero kung meron mang raid, hindi din ako magtataka. Dahil nakita naman natin kung paano ang pulis sumasali sa partisan political activity. In fact, pagdating natin sa impeachment, napakita namin lahat ng ginawa ng PNP sa akin with pictures, with witnesses, with evidence na ginagamit ang Philippine National Police sa politika. So, hindi ako magtataka kung mag-raid sila, magtanim sila ng ebidensya dahil meron naman tayong Arnie Teves model na ginawa na nila sa isang kalaban din nila sa politika. Ni-raid, tinaniman, buti na lang merong nakatagong CCTV si Arnie, so nakita niya talaga kung paano ang kawalang hiyaan na ginawa sa kanya.
Thank you.
What do you think about the problem now at Naiya, yung nagbala
Oh, ma'am! Dagdag na natin yan sa kagutuman, ma'am. Laglag bala at droga.
Thank you. Thank you.
Kasi may mga statement ng House leaders. So, regarding po doon sa budget po na ipinasala po ng puno ng korupsyon, they're saying tama na raw po yung pamumulitika, diversionary tactic daw po.
Ayan.
So, buti na lang daw po yung issue raw po ay confidential funds. Yung pagkasta po na.
Naku, hindi issue ang confidential funds dahil nag-file na sila ng impeachment. So, wag nila balik-balikan ang confidential funds dahil para sa kanila, that is already a closed issue dahil nag-file na sila ng impeachment. Pero hanggang ngayon, meron pa rin blanco sa mga budget natin na tinatanong doon sa Supreme Court. Meron pa rin question sa paglilipat ng pondo ng PhilHealth. So, dapat sila ang sumagot, dapat ang administrasyon ang sumagot.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.